Welcome to Draw with B. Today we're doing something really exciting. I'm very excited about this drawing. We're drawing Poppy from Trolls Band Together. I'm really excited about this movie coming out, so I thought we would do a quick tutorial on how to draw Poppy. So what we're going to do to start, we are going to draw her standing up with her hands on her hips. So the first thing that we're going to begin with is her head. So we're going to draw these lines going up and around just like this. Then what we're going to do is draw both her ears up and around, and then we're going to do the other side, up and around. Then what we're going to do is bring it down just for the bottom of her face. Next, what we're going to do is, this is going to be her headband. So we're going to draw just the headband here. We can erase things as we go. So we're going to do 2 lines just to show where it sits to begin with. Next, we're going to do her fringe that comes out. So there's a little bit here that we're going to do a flick. Then what we're going to do is bring that down like that. Then she's got some other bits in here. So we'll do up like that, then up like that. And we're just going to flick it in front of her ear because that's where her hair comes out. So just like that. And we can add more lines in later, but that's a good way to start. Next, we're going to do the inside of her ear there. And what we're going to do is the rest of the hair that's flicking out on this side. So we'll do some, and then a little bit comes down there. And you can add some lines in like that. There we go. Wonderful. Next, we're going to do an eyebrow. So one eyebrow is going to sit here, and I think it needs to come just before the fringe pit comes from the side. I think I'm going to add another bit just like that. You know why? Because she's got more hair coming in front of her face. There we go. One eyebrow, and then make it come up just like that. Then what we're going to do is her 2 eyes. We've got one here. Do a slight oval, just like that. Then we're going to bring it in, just like that. And then we've got her other eye here. And then we're going to bring it in, just like that, because the hair covers part of her eye on the right side. Next is her nose. So we're going to go just like that. And then what we're going to do is it comes in. So we're going to do 2 little curls either side, and then it comes down in the middle. Great. And she's smiling in this, so we're going to do a smile. Fabulous. Next, what we're going to do is her little eyelashes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and we're just going to bring the black bit a little bit thicker here because that's how it goes. Next, what we're going to do is the middle part of her eye, and then we're going to leave a reflection dot and the inside of her eye, which is her pupil. You can dot that so you don't have to colour in and then it gets all mixed up and you lose that little dot. What I'm going to do now is just use my erasable pen. I've done this eye just a little bit thick, so I'm just going to thin it out just a little bit. That's why I love these pens. You know why? Because you can fix all your mistakes all the time. So bring that hair down again, and then 1. There we go, just like that. And reflection dot, and then amazing. Dot that in. Amazing. And if you want, you can just draw a little eyebrow just in there to begin with. Amazing. So we have her face. What I'm also going to do is just bring this up a little bit and then out, because her head looks a little bit funny down the bottom here. There we go. Next, what we're going to do is her headband here is slightly plaited, so I'll add that detail in later. But to begin with, we're going to do the flower looking crown that she's got on. So we'll start with this one. Then she's got two either side, just like that. And then she's got another little one just in here. Fabulous. Then what she's got is some awesome little pom-poms in here. So she's got 1, 2, 3, and then she's also got 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. Great. Next is the top, and this is her hair. So we're going to bring it down like that. Then we're going to bring it down like that. That's the first bit, second bit, third bit, and then she's got another bit coming up here, and then she's got a few bits just like that. Great. I love this. There's nothing better than pink hair on Poppy. Wonderful. Next, what we're going to do is her body. So she is going to be standing with her hands on her hips. So we're going to do the V where her little dress goes. Then what I'm going to do is bring that down here. It's up on this side because she's sort of got her hands on her hips and her arm out. What we're next going to do here is just bring that line down and then do her arm. So we're going to do a round shape like that. Then what we're going to do is a shape like that, and then her hands are going to be here. So we're going to do one finger, join it, next finger, and then we've got the next one, which is here. Now I need to bring this line up just a little bit, okay? Next finger. There we go. So that is her hand on her hip. We can bring that in like that. Then what we've got is her dress, which goes here, and then it sort of comes down a little bit. So then we can bring it up, and next is this side. So we're going to bring this point here just to there because we need to do our other arm now. This one's coming down a bit, curve just like that, and then what is going to happen here is she's putting her hand on her hips here. So watch me do it very gently with each finger. Got 1, 2, and then we've got the last finger just like that. Great. Now she's got her hands on her hips. She's looking pretty cool. All right. That's the end part of her dress. Now what she's got is her legs. These are the last bits we're going to do. So we're going to do a line down like this. We're going to do a line down like this. Then what we're going to do is make her leg warmers because they're super cool. Do a line there. Then we're going to do a little curve there. Join it up. Do a line there, and then connect the two up here. That's her first leg warmer. Then we've got toes. I love Poppy's toes, they're so cool. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Last leg to go, everyone. This one's to the back, so we're going to bring a line down like that. We're going to make sure her leg warmers join up. So we'll bring it down a little bit. We're going to have it curve up just a little bit. Bring down a line. Bring it out a little bit, and then join the two together, and then we've got toes. 1, 2, 3. There she is with her hands on her hips. Next, what we're going to do is color in, make it all look beautiful. Please pause the video if you need more time to catch up or even to create your own different changes that you'd like. You can color her however you like, and I will see you back soon. It's magic time to add some glitter. You have to add glitter to Poppy because she's all about sparkles and glitter. I've got some beautiful fine tip gel pens that are glitter from Kmart. So I've got 3 different colors that I'm going to use on her today. I've also got some glitter glue that I'm going to use as well because I think she definitely has glitter on her cheek. So I'm going to do a dot here. I'm going to do a dot here. Poppy definitely needs glitter. She loves sparkles, so this is a definite must for her. What I'm also going to do is add some of those gel pens to her hair to give her some special glitter. I'm also going to do her eyebrow as well because her eyebrows are generally pink. So I think if we go over that with this pen, oh, that's amazing. We're going to add some glitter in here, glitter in here. You don't have to use glitter if you don't want to. These little gel pens are great because you can just add a little bit without doing too much. I can't wait for the movie to come out. I'm really excited to see it. I know my daughter will be extremely excited to see it. So I think we'll have to definitely draw branch as well for everybody. Let's put some glitter in here. Great. And I think that will do Poppy for today. I think she's got enough glitter. I don't think I'm going to use the other colors at this stage because I think she's got enough. I think the only other bits that I might add is her stitching here with this gel pen. And that will do for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy drawing. I hope to see you all soon and have a great day.